Hello world, welcome to my channel. I'm Natalia, your tour guide and insider in Belarus. And today we're gonna have a very interesting journey. The journey to the world of art, creativity and fantasy. Are you excited? Stay with me till the end and it is gonna be interesting. So today we are in a wonderful place, the place of magic, the place of inspiration, the workshop of my friend and a very talented artist, master of art, my friend Elena Ruzova, and we will see her works and we will attend her masterclass in intuitive paintings.
Elena says that painting for her is to work with living substance. She feels the bundle of energy concentrated inside the canvas. When writing, she is being dissolved in time, forgets everything and flying away. The key point is that the painting has to carry positive information as a matter of course, and she puts positive thoughts, emotions, feelings into her works.
Cold winter, all we need is a good company, positive conversations and creativity, which brings us harmony and fill us with positive energy. Enjoy.
Elena's paintings are permeated with positive and fantasy images which are woven into reality, and she believes that inside every person there is a creative force that leads him. The main thing is not to frighten it off, so that the person can unfold his creative power. In this creative space, the artist doesn't teach, but inspires the process for creation of masterpieces. Painting is often combined with live meditative music performed by Elena, and it helps even more to distract from the daily rush and switch to creativity. honest, I planned to have a conversation with Elena about works and plans as an artist, but it was total relax and switching off the time and reality. And during this painting class, I was fully involved in the process, as well as my friends did. And I believe that intuition is the voice of the soul. So intuitive painting, this is kind of conversation with the soul, and we all need such a conversation, especially in this turbulent time. And I wish everybody to find time for creativity, to do something what you really like and to enjoy the process. Always glad to observe when a master not only creates masterpieces but guiding others to the world of art. After all, and after this session of art magic, art meditation, we were really filled with positive emotions and left this hospitable space a little more happy and inspired.
Well, we created our paintings and it was a fantastic time of pure creation and flying into our fantasies. And now you know, if you are in Minsk and your soul is looking for creativity, you know the place, you know the address, and you can contact me below this video. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.